This video answers the search how to buy shares of Telia Co AB and shows the practical steps. Telia is a Nordic telecommunications company traded on CBOE EU under the ticker TELIA1.HE. This is an educational guide only and not financial advice. Always research before investing. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will be asked to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and to add funds before you can place a trade. Use the broker's search field and enter the ticker TELIA1.HE to find the company listing. Make sure the listing matches Telia Co AB and select the correct result from the search suggestions. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to monitor recent movements. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure you are on the correct Telia Co AB page. Tap the Invest or Buy button, choose how much you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the platform may queue or schedule the order according to its rules, and if you lack sufficient funds, the broker will prompt you to add funds before the trade is completed. After the trade is processed, your Telia position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example link and more details, check the description below.